Indian hotels as well buzzing in trade today, up 5% from the mid-cap space. But let's put the focus on an Insecticides India stable quarter coming out from this company in the fourth quarter. Revenue saw a marginal increase, about 3% up from the same quarter last year. EBITDA saw growth of 11% and margins came in at 11.2%. That's an uptick of nearly a percent coming in from 10.4% last time. We have Rajesh Agarwal, MD at the company, joining in now. Mr. Agarwal, good afternoon. If you could take us through some of the highlights of the quarter gone by, what has led to your performance this time?
Quarter generally is a small quarter for us because monsoon is a major season. But still, yeah, there has been an increase of about 2.5% in this quarter in terms of the sales. But you will see that there is a jump in the bottom line actually. The margins have jumped because we are changing our product mix and introducing the new products regularly, and we are trying to bring the new technology to the farmer. In the previous year, we have launched about more than 4 products, and this year again, we wish to launch more than 7-8 products in this fiscal. And I believe out of this, 5-6 products will be launched by June. So this means that the new products will be available for this current season, and we should get the full advantage during the monsoon season. You have observed that we have increased our EBITDA margins as well as the PAT margins by a decent percentage. There is a growth of about 28% year on year in the EBITDA margins and more than 40% in the PAT margins. I believe that in the new year again, we should be able to continue the reasonable growth in the PAT margins due to the introduction of these new molecules. And our target is that we wish to grow along with the new molecules which are introduced in the last 4-5 years and the new products which we will be launching in this fiscal.
Lots of talking points over there, Mr. Agarwal. Just talk to us about the monsoon part of it first. We are expecting another good monsoon this year. How are you gearing up for that, and what's the kind of demand that you expect from the season?
The demand is huge because there is a chemical shortage internationally, and the expectation of monsoon is very, very high and very, very good. And it is expected to touch the southern coast in just a day or two. So the expectation is high, and we are preparing for the season. And since we do a lot of technicals in-house, and this year we are also planning to do some of the intermediates because we see a lot of shortage. So we are gearing up for the season, and I expect a decent growth in this fiscal.
Right, Mr. Agarwal, what is the view then on pricing trends? What kind of price hikes should we be looking ahead to FY19?
There are some products where the prices are going up actually. So certain products may go up from 10% to 15%, whereas some other products may remain stagnant. Overall, we can say that it is a price hike of about near to double digit in terms of percentage, I can say, on an average.
Right. Just give us a sense of those new products that you are going to launch that you said, and also the kind of traction that the new products you've recently launched, the 4 products that you said, that are going to add to your performance in the year ahead.
In the past 2 years, we have launched various products actually, which are the new chemistries for the country, but I'll not say exactly patented molecules because they were coming to the country through the multinational companies or their partners, and they went off patent recently in the recent years. But we started making these products in last 2-3 years actually, and they are adding to our top line as well as bottom line. We are focusing a lot on such products. This year, the target is that we are trying to bring certain new solutions. So there will be certain mixture products, there will be certain new chemistries which will be introduced in this year, and there will be certain off-patented molecules also which will be coming from Insecticides India. And along with this, we are also expecting one more new molecule which will be a patented product from Nissan. So it should also get the introduction in this fiscal before Diwali. Though the introduction is little delay, but is very important because it's a patented molecule. So we are going to launch 7-8 products in this fiscal. And we expect that around 10% growth in this fiscal, and majorly it should be coming from the new molecules itself.
All right, fair enough. We'll leave it at that. Thanks so much. That's Rajesh Agarwal, MD at Insecticides India. A stable quarter, stock underperforming slightly on the back of those numbers coming out. Under pressure at the moment as far as an Insecticides India goes. But Ashish, lots of stocks on the move in trade at the moment. Just wanted to get your view on some of these mid-cap housing finance companies, the likes of Canfin Homes, GIC, of course, we were talking about at the top of the show, LIC Housing Finance.